For the people with the toughest jobs in the world, having the right information at the right time is the difference between success and failure, between life and death. And every second counts. Skydio dock for X10. Station docked X10s where critical work happens. Get airborne in 20 seconds. Operate remotely from anywhere in the world and get the data you need to act. X10 features category-leading visual and thermal sensors to capture the details you need, with the modularity and versatility for any mission.
You are trespassing on private property.
Dock keeps your drones ready to fly, even in the toughest conditions. Scorching heat, freezing cold, day or night. Go beyond visual line of sight. With built-in weather sensors and airspace awareness, plus world-leading autonomy with Skydio Pathfinder to confidently get X10 sensors wherever you need them. And get limitless range with Connect Fusion. Seamless switching between point-to-point and 5G connections. Operate fleets of drones everywhere, all at once, with Skydio Remote Ops. From multi-drone operations to planning and scheduling missions for continuous data collection. For public safety agencies, Skydio DFR Command is the ultimate software suite for drone operations. Respond to incidents with a single click, share live video with ReadyLink, and use augmented reality overlays for precise visual orientation. Manage your fleet, upload evidence, and build community trust. It's all at your command. Skydio Dock for X10. A fully integrated hardware and software solution from the drone to the dock to the cloud to keep our communities safe, keep our lights on, and help secure our nation.